Good day, wonderful people. See you again here in my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make Cap Cai ala me. The ingredients, simple ingredients only that I have in my fridge already. Here I have spinach, supposed to be pak choy if you have it. And then chicken breast, I slice it already. I slice it long thin because I want different. And then white cabbage and carrot, I slice it round. And broccoli. I have egg here and meizena water. Of course, should be there salt. And then I have also soya sauce. This is salt soya sauce, oil for cooking, and water. And for ingredients here, I have ginger, and then garlic, spring onion, and little bit chicken cube there on top. Egg, I'm going to mixture. So during cooking is easy for me. You just put inside. Yeah. Oil already hot. We're going to put this one. Salt little bit. This is Chinese slice of chicken. I slice it quite thin. Good. So it's cooked faster. You can imagine how nice smell it is. Because of thin slice, it look like a mushroom, terang-bulan. Alright. And then garlic in. Garlic, ginger as well, mix again together. We just cook a little bit until the water of the chicken quite little bit left. Alright, let's cook 5 minutes more. Now already done the water of the chicken. Looks very nice, and the garlic also cook well as the ginger. And then I'm gonna put egg pickled egg. Yummy. Mix well all together. Egg is easy and cook faster also. Alright. Egg already cooked. And put soya sauce. This is a little bit more soya sauce because chap chai needs more soya sauce. Really yummy. Yeah, very nice, wonderful people. Really nice smell of the chicken, the ginger, the garlic. Wonderful. And then I'm gonna put water. Yeah, little bit. Put water. Not to be burned, because burned food, if food is burned, it's not eatable anymore. Going to put this carrot. In. Wow, the carrots look beautiful color, you carrot. How beautiful carrots. Look at this color. And then this also white cabbage. Very beautiful as well. And then broccoli, actually all vegetable that I have. I'm gonna put all together. And then this little bit cube, chicken cube, and more water, little bit. And we can cover it. This is 5 minutes. We will wait. And stay tuned, wonderful people. Vegetable already cooked. And then this is last vegetable. Spinach. Spinach in. And covered again for 3 minutes. Now we're gonna put meizena water. And mix all together. The last is spring onion. Wow, colorful food, colorful and beautiful as well. Let's eat chap chai with me. This is pear with white rice, very nice. Let's eat the chap chai with me, wonderful people. This is really yummy, look delicious. Chap chai ala me. Let's have a lunch with me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay happy, stay healthy, and see you again.